This video will show you how to generate value out of connected devices and analyze device data using Cumulocity IoT's streaming analytics capabilities. Streaming analytics is the processing and analysis of fast-moving live data to raise automated, real-time actions or alerts. Cumulocity IoT's streaming analytics enables you to analyze data as it happens and spot significant patterns or events, such as a change in temperature or pressure, which could indicate pending equipment failure. For example, a manufacturer of industrial heating and cooling systems might have outfitted its compressors with sensors to collect data on pressure, temperature, and other information. Using streaming analytics, the field services team can respond to actual system alerts and reduce downtime. I have created a simulator which sends temperature data to the Cumulocity IoT platform based on a list of measurements. You want to create a thresholding rule, which raises an alarm when the temperature value is above 8 degrees. The Cockpit application provides you with options to manage and monitor your device by creating smart rules. The Smart Rule Builder is a self-service tool which provides you with predefined analytics models. You can easily define, for example, a measurement thresholding rule by creating the rule from a template and configuring the template parameters. There are two different types of smart rules: global smart rules and local smart rules. Global smart rules are created in a global context, and local smart rules are created in either a group or a device. We will create a local smart rule for our temperature simulator, which monitors the temperature values, a data point in Cumulocity IoT. We can either start creating the smart rule in Data Explorer, where you can see a list of all data points and visualize data, or we can create the smart rule from the perspective of devices. The Smart Rules tab shows smart rules for this device. Right now, we haven't created any smart rules. We can create a smart rule from here. Click Add Smart Rule. Cumulocity IoT shows a list of smart rule templates. This list might differ based on your installation and for which target type you want to create the smart rule. There are smart rules which help you manage alarms and smart rules which help you analyze your device measurements. We want to monitor the temperature value, which we can visualize in the Data Explorer tab. If the temperature value data point is not visible, we select Add Data Point and add the temperature. We change the visualization interval to 1 minute. We want to create a smart rule which raises an alarm in case the temperature value is above 8. We open the Data Points menu and select Create Smart Rule. Select On Measurement Explicit Threshold Create Alarm. Smart rules have parameters. We have 4 groups. The name is pre-filled with the name of the rule template. The on-threshold parameters define the rule. First, the input parameters like measurement type and threshold. These are pre-filled based on our temperature data point. Then, the threshold itself with minimum and maximum parameters. When the temperature value is in the specified range, the configured alarm is raised. We adapt the default and set the minimum to 8 and maximum to 10. The next group defines the action, in our case, the configuration of the alarm type, and the alarm text. We'll adapt the alarm text to our use case. The last group defines the device or group the rule shall be applied to. This is also predefined due to creating a local smart rule for our temperature simulator. This smart rule generates an alarm when the simulator sends a temperature which enters the threshold between 8 and 10. When the temperature leaves the threshold, going either above or below it, the alarm is cleared. We could also assign such a rule for a group of devices, or as a general rule, which we will see later on. Let's save the rule which is automatically activated for our simulator. Now you can see the smart rule in the list of all smart rules, with the corresponding status. We can disable that specific smart rule or edit smart rules and modify the threshold, for example. You are now able to see the alarms in the Alarms tab. By default, only unresolved alarms are shown. This is the reason that you sometimes see and sometimes don't see the alarms here. By the time the temperature is leaving the threshold, the alarm is cleared automatically. Let's wait until we see the alarm. The alarm text is as defined in the SMART rule, with the time when the alarm has been raised and with the reference to the device itself. Let's use the slider and show all alarms. Now you see all alarms are classified according to their severity. The SMART rule sends all alarms as critical alarms, meaning that this problem should be fixed immediately.